GM, and welcome to the Network Effect, Hxro Nation's weekly one-stop for the latest in macro headlines and Hxro Network news. With that, let's get to it. First, ending the week on a high note, Hxro Labs has won a significant victory in a case against the SEC in the U.S. District Court. The court ruling issued on July 13th states that Ripple's XRP token is not a security. The case began in December 2020 after the SEC sued Ripple, seeking to halt the offering of XRP on the grounds that it constituted a security requiring additional regulation. The court's summary judgment was granted in favor of Hxro Labs, allowing the company to continue offering XRP. However, the judgment was denied in relation to institutional sales aspects of the case. Following the news, the price of XRP surged, with the broader asset class broadly rallying alongside it. This news comes at a critical time after the SEC unveiled a variety of charges against two of the world's largest crypto exchanges, Coinbase and Binance, kicking off a legal battle that will help define the future of crypto. Next, the founder and former CEO of bankrupt Celsius Network was arrested on fraud charges Thursday morning. The crypto bank, which originally gained popularity by offering high interest rates and handling billions of dollars in deposits, collapsed last year, leading to bankruptcy. Mashinsky and the company's chief revenue officer now face charges including wire fraud, commodities fraud, and manipulation of securities prices. The former CEO, Alex Mashinsky, has been arrested and charged with defrauding customers and providing false information about the firm's business model, stating that Mashinsky misled customers into believing that Celsius was a safe place for their money, when in reality it was fraught with risks, never fully explaining in detail how it generated those returns, and stating that it made loans without requiring collateral and engaged in practices that were not registered or regulated. Mashinsky is also facing lawsuits from the SEC, CFTC, and FTC. At its peak, Celsius controlled around $25 billion in crypto assets, but the collapse left over 500,000 users devastated. As part of a settlement with the FTC, Celsius agreed to pay $4.7 billion in restitution to customers. Payments will be suspended while the bankruptcy process unfolds. Mashinsky denies all allegations, and he and his former firm also face lawsuits from the Securities Exchange Commission, among other regulators. Lastly, the SEC acknowledges Bitwise's Bitcoin ETF filing. The SEC acknowledged Bitwise's spot Bitcoin ETF application, signaling progress towards a regulated Bitcoin ETF. While this acknowledgement does not imply approval, it indicates that the SEC considers the application complete and worthy of further consideration. The regulator will now initiate a formal review process, including public comment. This news is coming on the heels of a flurry of spot ETF applications and reapplications by many of the biggest asset managers in the world, all racing for the proverbial cheese that would likely be millions of dollars in inflows from both retail and institutional investors that have previously waited on the sidelines. Now in Hxro Network news, starting with the numbers. Total network volume now at $318,163,003 and 172,062,926 Hxro staked, with an average stake duration of 2.2 years. A spicy new DApp is coming to Hxro Nation. Earlier this week, crypto degens were introduced to PepperDex, an on-chain perpetuals and expiring futures trading platform. According to the PepperDex website, the platform will allow users to earn rewards and incentives for being an active market participant. The DApp has yet to open up beta testing to whitelisted users, but encourages those that are interested to join their Discord and read through the project's staking, governance, and roadmap documentation at pepperdex.xyz. Now on to Flowmatic. The Hxro-powered trading terminal DEX Hybrid announced its API is complete and deployed for their first pilot project. This component is already being used by other projects building to the network and will also be a low-barrier way for automated traders to easily connect and trade into Hxro Network's order books. All whitelisted users now have access to the terminal, and the Hxro Volume Incentives Program is now live on the platform. As a reminder, the program allows all wallets contributing to daily network volume via Hxro-powered dApps such as Flowmatic to be rewarded with pro rata and escrowed Hxro or ES Hxro for their participation. Flowmatic will also retroactively award incentives for all volume traded. That's all for this week. Be sure to jump into the pit in the Hxro Nation Discord for the latest on all things Hxro, altcoins, and more. And of course, follow along on Twitter